Hello everyone, this is Tom from Mystical Arts. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the vertical effect footage that is gonna look just super awesome. You won't have any black bars on the sides when you have your vertical video, and it's just gonna be amazing. So firstly, as you can see, I don't have anything applied to my timeline yet. It's because we don't have any sequence. You do not want to apply your vertical footage into your timeline before you have a 1080p sequence, otherwise you won't be able to make this effect. What you want to do is the easiest way, just making a new adjustment layer. What it says, making a adjustment layer that's going to be 920 by 1080, 60 fps or however many fps you want. Square pixel, just press OK. And now what you want to do is import this adjustment layer onto your timeline, and now we've made a 1080p sequence. You can delete the adjustment layer now from the timeline. Now you want to add your footage. And as you can see, this window is gonna pop up. This clip does not match the sequence settings. Change the sequence settings to match the clip settings. You wanna click Keep Existing Settings. Now, as you can see, it's very zoomed in. So what you wanna do is right click on the clip itself and click Scale to Frame Size. Boom. We have the black bars on the sides. So now let's make this awesome vertical video effect. So first, when you have your clip, we need to copy that clip. We need to duplicate it. You do it by holding Alt, grabbing it and moving it somewhere on the timeline. I'm just gonna move it up one step. And now we have this video twice. What you want to do now is go into Effects, type Gaussian Blur, under VFX, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian Blur. Drop it on the clip below. Go into, with it selected of course, go into Effect Controls. You wanna scale now this footage so it exceeds beyond our clip and just covers all the black bars. With position here, you want to also just adjust the height of it and make it look a bit more fitting to the whole setting. I'm gonna do it something like this. Now when you scroll down, go to the effect Gaussian Blur. You have the option here, blurriness. You want to change this to about 30. I always change it to 30. Of course, you can play with this how much you want. You can change the blur to 10, 20, 40. It is all up to you. I just usually keep it at 30. It makes it look the best. And just like this, we have our effect. And it's all looking so much cooler now. If I play it on full screen, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. There's no black bars, and it just looks much more interesting this way. For vlogs, for short videos, for whatever you have, right? Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Make sure to check out our social media and link in the description below. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day.